Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to go over hair care and how to grow your hair long. So I've been growing my hair honestly for a really long time now. I have so much time and effort put into my hair. I wanted to give you guys my tips and tricks on how to grow your hair and have healthy hair all at the same time with still putting some heat on it every once in a while. So if you guys want to learn my tips and tricks, then just keep on watching. Okay, first things first, I want to go over what I use to wash my hair. So I like to switch back and forth from the Olaplex conditioner and shampoo, and then I also use the TIGI Repair Shampoo and conditioner. So I like to go back and forth, so if I shampoo my hair one day with the Olaplex, then the next time I'll go in with the Repair Shampoo. So basically, as far as shampooing goes, I only shampoo my hair once a week. Now, that I believe is the #1 tip to having long hair. Your hair needs natural oils to grow. So if you are constantly washing your hair, you're stripping your hair out of those natural oils. So I know if some people say, oh, I can't do that, my hair gets so greasy in a day. Your hair needs trained. You're going to have to go 1 day, wash your hair. Then go 2 days, wash your hair. Then 3 days, wash your hair. 4 days, wash your hair. And keep pushing your hair longer and longer. And your hair won't need washed as much as it needed to beforehand, because now you're training it that you know that it's going to be pushing longer. And if your hair does look greasy, 9 times out of 10, who cares? I bet nobody even is looking at that. And if it does look greasy, this is going to be your best friend. This is dry shampoo. I'm using the Batiste Dry Shampoo. They have a whole bunch of different kinds. They have, you know, like the ones that are darker, for darker hair. I should pick some up, but the brown one kind of makes my hair look like brown. So I'd rather just have it clear. So I will use this on days where I'm like, ooh, this is like pushing it. Like, I need my hair washed, but I'm going to go another day. So this is going to be your best friend. Pick up some dry shampoo. This is found at Walgreens, Walmart, Ulta, anywhere local that has this brand. I think it was like, I don't know, probably $8 at max. So this is also a really good in-between wash between your actual wash. So besides that, this Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, this is seriously so amazing. It repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. So Olaplex, if you get your hair lightened, if you go to a salon, they will most likely use Olaplex in your hair. And this is savior to all hair. I don't know what they do to this product, but it is amazing. It honestly rebonds your hair and makes sure that your hair doesn't get damaged throughout the lightening process. And they came out with the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, so this is a must-have. I have noticed such great results when I started using this product. Now on to the TIGI Repair Shampoo. This is amazing. This I cannot rave about even more. This lathers so good in your hair. You don't have to use a lot of this product either. And honestly, this seriously makes my hair feel like I've never put any color on it, never put any heat on it. It makes it feel like my hair is like virgin hair. I don't know what it does. It's just amazing. Also, this, I noticed that whenever I use this shampoo and conditioner, like this set, I can get longer days without washing. The Olaplex is still very good. I just noticed it get greasier a little bit quicker. I don't know, maybe the products are in it, but they're both still really great products. Also, there is the Olaplex #3. This is kind of like a take-home, like a leave-in conditioner before you shampoo. So what you're going to do is use this once a week between chemical services to strengthen your hair. So if you are in the process of lightening your hair, or if you get it colored, pretty often, like your roots, or if you need your ends touched up, this is a great in-between product. So what you do is you take, I put like a quarter amount of size. I do have a long and thick hair, so do whatever like amount that you feel comfortable with. But I put this on my hair before I jump in the shower. I leave it on for about 15 minutes. When your hair is dry, you're going to put it on, lather it all up. I put it up in a bun. I mainly focus it on my ends because that's where, you know, you tend to get dry quicker. And then I will leave it on for 15 minutes. Do whatever you got to do in your house. Do some dishes. And then jump in the shower. And you will notice a big, big, big change in your hair with this. I feel like this is like a deep, deep, deep conditioner. And it really does help you throughout your chemical services. You notice that your hair feels stronger. It's not getting brittle. It's not dry. So this is also a really good combination with the shampoo and conditioner as well. Now for whenever I get out of the shower, I brush my hair. Make sure that you are not brushing your hair when it's soaking wet. Your hair is super, super, super fragile when your hair is wet. So either pick up a wet brush or get like a detangling comb and make sure that your hair is like towel dried. You never want to like take your towel and rub it like this because you're going to make your hair fray. You just want to like dampen it out like this. But I use the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, and it basically says it repairs dry damaged hair, adds shine, detangles, controls frizz, seals and protects hair color, prevents split ends, stop hair breakage, creates silkiness, and it enhances the natural body. And it's also a flat iron spray. So this is like a 10-in-1 product. I absolutely love this product. This makes my hair feel like butter after I get out of the shower. My hair, it gets naughty like no other. So I always put this in my hair after I get out of the shower. Make sure my hair is not soaking wet, but it's still wet enough. And I spray this from like mid-shaft down to the ends. And I spray a generous amount and then I start combing it through. And if I do not use this product, my hair will take me literally 10 years to get out all the tangles. This is a miracle worker and I swear by this product. Also, it's a really good leave-in conditioner and I don't feel like it makes my hair greasy. So go ahead and pick this up. I do believe you guys can pick this up at Walmart. But if you guys can, like go to Ulta or like Sally's, they should have it. Now, if you absolutely have to put heat on your hair, I recommend picking up a thermal spray. Now, this is from TIGI Hair Care. It's called FireWall, and it has argan oil in it. So I make sure that my hair is dry. After it's blow drying or air drying, I take this and I spray it from mid-shaft to ends. And then I comb it through and then I put the flat iron on it. So it's going to act as a barrier so that the heat is not going straight down to the cuticle. This is going to kind of act as like a base so that it's not going to get all the way down to like the core of your hair. Also, it is a 2-in-1. It's a shine spray as well. So it leaves your hair looking super shiny and it's also protecting it from the heat as well. So this is a really good must-have, and I feel like I can't do my hair without this product anymore. So this is FireWall from TIGI Hair Care. Now, if you guys can, try not to put heat on your hair. If you are trying to grow out your hair, it is crucial. It is literally crucial that you do nothing with your hair. When I was in 7th grade, I cut my hair to literally about here. It was above my collarbones, and that's how short it was. I was so upset that I cut my hair. My mom told me, don't cut your hair, don't cut your hair. Lexi, don't cut your hair, you're not going to like it. Well, guess what? Being a little 12-year-old Lexi stubborn self, I was like, no, Mom, I'm going to love it. Chopped it, and the next day I was crying. But the growing back process was long and hard. But throughout that time, I have learned what not to do and what to do. So if you can, try not to put any heat on your hair. Try not to put any chemicals on your hair, so as in like hairspray, scrunching gel. Chemicals are also really bad for your hair as well because it's going to be eating at the hair. So if you can, get out of the shower, use salon product grade shampoo and conditioner, because the kind that you can buy at Walmart or like Target is not going to be as great as chemicals as if you get it from like a local hair salon, Sally's. So make sure that you are picking up something that is going to protect your hair and also going to be protectant for color treated hair as well. So we all know that, you know, you don't want to look like crap going to school or work or just your everyday life. So if you can't, go to bed with your hair wet and then like scrunch it in the morning, wear it in a braid, wear it up in cute braids all day at work, or, you know, messy buns. That's literally, if you could look at pictures of me from 10th grade to senior year, my hair was up and curly in every picture. I did not do my hair. If I did my hair, it was because it was a special occasion. And even then, I don't know if I did it because I wanted long hair. So if you want long hair, it is a dedicated process. You have to take time, let your hair grow, get trims. I got trims every 6 months just so that, you know, the ends were nice and healthy, and I made sure that my hair was growing and I was taking care of it as much as I could. So basically all you're gonna need is, you're gonna need a dry shampoo for, you know, waiting throughout the week to get you by, because washing your hair is crucial. Don't wash your hair and I promise you your hair will grow. But, so pick up yourself some dry shampoo. It could be any kind. I prefer the Batiste kind. Then you're going to pick up some salon grade shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, you do not have to be using these kinds that I use, but I do recommend these. I have great success with these. Then after that, you're going to pick up a nice leave-in conditioner, either one like this, or you can get the Olaplex kind if you do have color treated hair. This is a really good, you know, protein bonder for your hair. And then you're going to pick up a thermal spray so that you are protecting your hair if you are putting heat on it. So basically that wraps up my hair care routine and tips to grow out your hair. And if you guys have any other recommendations, please leave them down below. I'd love to know what you guys do to grow out your hair. If you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you guys in my next one.